now tuned into the greatest.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We have a Jordan 11 holiday release, so you know I was gonna pull up. Honestly, the best thing about this shoe is the box. The box is super cool to me. So, comes like this. It's like weird, because you're like, okay, I open that, and then you open that. Like, it's just cool that Jordan did something different. I don't know. But they still charged us $235 after tax. Right in time for the holidays. Holiday spirit, Jordan. Appreciate you. But to the actual shoe, it is a Jordan 11. It is the classic silhouette. And you get me with this silhouette, but you're not gonna get me this time. It has the like pop out Jumpman like we've seen on some of the women's pairs of Jordan 11s. Like we've seen on some of the women's pairs of Jordan 11s. It also will spell Jordan.
A few moments later.
Did I just make that up? This doesn't look like it spells anything. It spells something. I don't know what it spells. I can't read today, but what the hell? One second. The only reason I may not keep a pair for myself is because of these. This is the 72 and 10 that released. I actually love this shoe. Did not get the hype, but I love this shoe. The patent leather has this like weird effect on it, and it's like glitter almost. I really like the 72 and 10. Then that blackout Jordan 11 they gave us, I really like that one too. So for that reason, I may not keep a pair for myself, but it's a Jordan 11, so it's clean. Do what you gotta do. Switch to my phone for a little better view, but yeah, the pair that just released, 72 and 10, and the blackout ones. I do think this is the weakest pair of the bunch, but you can't go wrong. Honestly, any black Jordan 11, I'm gonna like, and I'll probably eventually end up getting a pair for myself. But right now, I might just have to pass. Hopefully, if you didn't get them, you pre-ordered on markhicks.com, as you can do for most Jordan releases. Happy holidays, everybody stay safe, and enjoy your Jordan 11s.